everyone. So today I'm going to talk about Lylah's Lip and Cheek Tint, and I'm going to talk about the myths surrounding it, the mythbusters, and also how to use it. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट लिप एंड चीक टिंट जो है अगर आप लिप्स पे लगाएंगे तो आपकी स्किन क्रैक हो जाएगी और हार्डन हो जाएगी. दूसरा मिथ है कि अगर आप इसको अपनी चीक्स पे यूज़ करेंगे इट्स गोना क्लॉग योर पोर्स. तीसरा मिथ ये है इट डज नॉट हैव any natural ingredients, and natural ingredients cannot stay for long. So let me just come back and tell you, my viewers, that first and foremost it is not going to harden the skin around your lips because it is self-moisturizing. Secondly, it's not going to clog your pores. And thirdly, it is totally natural, does not have any toxins or any chemicals or any parabens or any preservatives. You just have to keep it in a very cool dry place and use it with clean hands and you're good to go. So in the next snap you can check out the look that I have for basic and wedding wear. Just open it in front of you and see this is the texture. Just need clean hands. I have just moisturized my face and added a bit of liner and just a little bit, literally. And literally a little bit here. See how the color payoff is? And I'm good to go, literally. And for the second look what I did. I just added a bit of sugar on my eyes and I'm good to go to a wedding. If you like it, love it, and you gotta have it, swipe up and go to shoplylah.com and buy your favorite lip and cheek tint today.